Okay, we have a problem with this toaster insofar as it doesn't stay down. This catch here is broken. So what I intend to do is repair it. So firstly, I'll turn it upside down and I've taken out, there's a heap of screws here, each corner, in here, over here, and I'm now attempting to, I don't want to scratch this, take the sides off. So well, actually we pry this open here. If we pry that open, then I can lift this whole top section out. So I'll get another screwdriver and I'll just enter the screwdriver in here and enter this up, lift this up, be very careful not to damage anything. It looks like it's coming up. Hang on, I'll get a bigger screwdriver here. I've got a bigger one here somewhere. Here we go. Just got to be careful not to damage anything because they're a very expensive item. It's coming up. I think it's coming. A bit of a dent there. That's actually. Yeah, I think it's coming up. It's very tight. Oh, here we go. There we go. Get the side open. That's it. I think it comes out the side. That's what I need. Now this will show that there's probably something wrong with the inside of this machine. I think if we leave this off here, that's it. I've been trying to do that before. Actually now we'll get to the other side and we'll loosen that off the same. That's it. It's coming. Very hard. This side's a bit hard than the other side. You think you go. Probably electrics are here. No, not a damage. So here we go. Get it. There we go. It's coming. Get the side off. That's better. Now we get in there. This is a bit bugging. Bloody firm, this. It's better. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Wonder if that was the problem. This is. Looks like it was. We'll have to disconnect that. We have a problem here disconnecting it, but that'll disconnect it. Okay. So now we have it open. We can see a bit of crud in there. I think I'll need to take the sides off. Let me get the sides out of it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is it. I can't work out why it wasn't working. Perhaps just step that down a little bit. I think it was probably due to the fact that one of these elements here, one of these was broken. Perhaps the other side might be. Oh, it's inside that. Here we go. Just gotta. I don't know what the story is. Why it's actually I think I've got to lever this side up to get that out. Yeah, that's better. That's getting it. It was just stuck. It was just stuck a little bit. I'll leave it. There should be a way of. I thought there should have been a way of getting these sides off a little bit easier than what I've done there. These buttons are probably not going to work again. Well, they may. I've cleaned them up with a bit of acid. Here we go. There we get there. That's it. Coming off now. Out. Ah, that's it. Now, why did I do that to start with? Now we can find the problem. It seems as though, actually you've got some of those wires, they're not, I don't think it's plugged in, is it? That's only an earth, so it won't be right. Now, What seems to be the problem? Oh, here we go. Here's the problem. Looks like a broken spring. That's it. The spring was broken. So, look at that. That little spring was broken. If I'd found that to start with, I wonder where it came from. Because it might be the, or was it this? It might be this, might have something to do with this board too. I think, I'm going to cut these wires, make sure that there's no power on. I don't think it's plugged in, is it? No, it's not plugged in. Now, perhaps this board, it looks like those contacts there work okay. The idea is when the shaft goes down, when the lever is pushed down, it pushes those contacts. See that? Push that contact there and that one there. So that could be like, oh, the fuse might have been blown. It might have been the fuse. So I don't know what the problem was really, looking at this. But anyway, I'll get to the bottom. I'll determine what the problem was. But now I just got to remember where the wires went and where that spring broke off from. But yeah, I just don't think I can put it back together properly, given the fact that the sides have got a bit of damage, and you probably get new sides for it. But it was a Breville too; it was a good brand. But anyway, I think we need a newie. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. So if you want any assistance in repairs, just give me a bell. I can probably accommodate you. Next week I'm going to try and get into a washing machine, so it'll be good to see. Okay, thanks, and bye for now.